Hi friends, in this video we have studied that the cam and follower, that is the theory of machine second, and in previous lecture we have seen that what is the cam and what is the follower. In this video we have studied that the types of cam, and in previous lecture we have studied that the classification of follower. Okay, in this video we have studied that the classification of cam. First, there is a three types of the classification. First will be the according to the type of shape. According to type of shape. Second will be according to the follower movement. According to follower movement. And third will be the according to the type of constraint of the follower. According to third will be the according to type of constraint of the follower. These are the three types of or classification of the cam. First will be the according to the type of the shape. Second will be the according to the follower movement, and third will be the according to the type of a constraint of the follower. Okay, in this we have seen that the according to the type of a shape. In this, according to the type of the shapes, there are the six types. There are the six types. We have seen that the one by one. First will be the radial or disc cam. First will be the radial or disc cam. Radial or disc cam. Second will be the cylindrical cam. Second will be the cylindrical cam. And third will be the translation or wedge cam. Translation or wedge cam. Translation or wedge cam. Fourth will be the conjugate cam. Fourth will be the conjugate. Fifth will be the globodial cam. Globodial cam. And sixth will be the spherical cam. Sixth will be the spherical cam. Sixth will be the spherical cam. Okay. First, according to the type of shapes, first will be the radial or disc cam. Second will be the cylindrical cam. Third will be the translation or wedge cam. Fourth will be the conjugate cam. Five will be the globodial cam. Six will be the spherical cam. These are the according to the type of the shape of the cam. And second will be the classification will be the according to the follower movement. How to the follower movement and how the classification of the cam of the follower. First will be the DRD cam. First will be the DRD cam. DRD cam. Second will be the DRD cam. Third will be the RR cam. Third will be the RR cam. And fourth will be the DRD cam. DRD cam. Okay. What is the where D is known as the dwell, are known as the rise. Dwell or rise. This according to the follower movement, this classification is very important for the cam and follower. There are the four types, that is a DRD, dwell, rise, dwell, cam. Okay, second will be dwell, rise, rise, dwell, cam. Third will be the rise, 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 cam. Fourth will be the dwell, rise, dwell, cam, where D is called as the dwell and R is called as the rise. Okay, this classification is a very important. It is a very important to draw the cam and follower, and it is a very important according to follower movement. And third will be the according to the type of the constraint of the follower. These are the two types. First will be the preloaded. Spring cam. Second will be the positive drive cam. Second will be positive drive cam. These are the classification of the follower. Okay, which classification? First will be the types of the classification of the follower. First, there are the three types of the classification. First will be the according to the type of the shape, according to the follower movement, according to the type of the constraint of the follower, in which the according to the type of the shape, in which the 6 cam will be classification. In that, first will be the radial or disc cam, second will be the cylindrical cam, third will be the translation or the wedge cam, fourth will be the conjugate cam, 5 will be the globodile cam, 6 will be the spherical cam. And second will be the according to the follower movement, that is the follower movement, that is the DRD cam. Second will be the DRRD cam. Third will be the RR cam, and fourth will be the DRD cam. And according to the type of the constraint of the follower, there are the two, that is a preloaded spring cam, and second will be the positive drive cam. In which the preloaded spring cam means the spring is attached to the cam, so that the movement is easily positive. And positive drive cam is in which the this according to the follower movement is very important, so that the we have seen that the how it is the classification of the according to the follower of movement. We seen that the according to the follower movement, first classification D cam. D cam means dwell, rise, dwell cam. Then how it is the draw, that is the dwell or dwell rise cam. We have seen that the one by one. Okay, this is called as the dwell, rise, dwell, rise, dwell cam. Okay, how it is a draw, that is the this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis, in which the x-axis it is the cam rotation angle, and x-axis is a theta degree, and x-axis displacement of follower, that is the S. Okay, that is the S, that is the dwell is nothing but the, this is the dwell, rise is nothing but the, this is the rise, and the dwell is nothing but the, this is the dwell. Then this is the dwell, then it is the rise, not called as the return, it is called as the return. This is the dwell. Okay, one by one we have seen that is the this is the types, that is this is called as the dwell, this is called as the rise, this is called as the again dwell, and this is called as the return, and this is again called as the dwell. This is the according to the follower movement. According to the follower movement, we have seen that is the dwell, rise, dwell, return, dwell, camp, return, dwell, camp. Okay, in which the x-axis we have seen that the camp rotation angle, that is the theta, and y-axis displacement of the follower, Okay, this is the displacement of the follower, that is the dwell, rise, dwell means the velocity is the remains the constant, and then the return and again dwell. This is the first type of the DRD cam, and second will be the DRD cam. DRD cam means this is called as the dwell, rise, return and dwell. Okay, how it is drawn? That it is a cam rotation angle, okay, this is the displacement of the follower, okay, this is the 0. Yes, so that the dwell, this is the dwell, okay, this part will be the dwell, rise, this is the rise, and this is the return, again a return. Okay, this is the rise or a return, this is the rise, this is called as the return, means this is the return, this is the rise, and again dwell, this is the types of the DRD, means dwell, rise, return, dwell, camp. Okay, this is the diagram for the DRD camp. Next type will be the rise, return, rise. Next will be the RR camp, in which it is called as the rise, return, again rise, return, again rise. Okay, it is the x-axis cam rotation angle, it is the theta, 0 degree, displacement of the follower, is known as the rise is the rise, return. Okay, this is the rise or return, again rise or return, this is called as a rise, return, again rise, again return. This is the cam rotation angle, that is the RR cam. We have seen that the RR cam, rise, return or rise, that is the 360 degree. This is a 360 degree. And fourth will be the dwell, rise, means DRD. Fourth classification will be the DRD cam, means dwell, rise, dwell. Okay, dwell, rise or dwell. This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, on which cam rotation angle, and second will be the displacement of the follower, okay, in which the first will be the dwell, this is the dwell, next will be the rise, and then dwell, this is the rise, and this is the dwell. Okay, this is the dwell. This diagram we have seen that the DRD cam. Okay, this classification is very important in point of view. Which classification, that is the according to the follower movement. There are the four types: DRD, DCAM means dwell, rise, dwell, return, dwell, camp. Okay, this is the diagram for the first classification, that is the dwell, rise, dwell, return, dwell. Okay, second will be the DRD. Second will be the DRRD means dwell, rise, return, dwell. Dwell, rise, return, dwell. That is the 360 degree of rotation, of a cam rotation. Okay, and third will be the RR cam means the rise, return, rise of rotation. That is the displacement of the follower, rise, return, rise, that is cam rotation of the angle. And fourth will be the dwell, rise. A dwell is nothing but the, that is a dwell, this is a rise, this is a dwell, it is a DRD. This is the fourth classification of the dwell, return, rise of classification of the cam of the, this is a very important of the follower movement, according to the follower movement. Okay, thank you.